Welcome everyone to the Costa.Calida. I have a fabulous Fiesta style property. So whether you just want a holiday home or pre-retirement or even a permanent home, this is the ideal place for you. Beautiful area and has a potential for an underbuild and a pool. Let me take you inside and we have a look around. So guys, this is a beautiful Fiesta to show you. As you can see, it has off-road parking as well as a pedestrian gate. So let's go inside and have a look around. Now just here, because it's raised so high, you could put a door there just like next door and have an underbuild, have loads of storage. Sometimes people get a license and put an extra apartment down there. So you have all this space here if you wanted to put a pool in. I'll just show you over next door's fence. I'm sure they wouldn't mind. They've got a lovely pool and this house has the potential for that as well. So if you can see that, guys, there is a pool next door and this house has the potential for that as well. So this here is your off-road parking and it's nice and shaded up that end as well. You have room here for 2 cars as well, which is ideal. Or you could just have, I just want to show you this now. Next door neighbour, they've built this all up here and they've put a terrace. And in the terrace they got patio doors from the master bedroom coming out. So you've got lots of potential here in this property. You've got the potential for an underbuild, a lovely pool, and you could build up the terrace here, build it up a bit, put a terrace on and patio doors out from the master bedroom, out here and just sit and enjoy the sunshine or the shade, depending on the weather, of course, or the time of year. So let me show you the rest now. So this has potential for 2 cars at the moment. That's, of course, it'd be 1 car if you put that extra terrace in, which would make the property so much more spacious, or feel that way to you, So just at the top of the stairs you got your front door and you have your wrecker to the front of the door. There are wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows of this property. Right, let's get inside the property now. So this is the lounge area of the property. As you can see, you have got aircon in here and it's quite a spacious room as well. So just in here is one of the bedrooms. Now you could put a small double bed, it will go in sideways. You've also got your ceiling light and fan up there. So I've turned around now and you have a little telly, a little bit of storage, and you have that beautiful window illuminating this room. You've also got blackout blinds to shade the room if needed. So let's carry on. Now this is a lovely, bright and airy room. It's really lovely. You've got your dining room table there. And I just want to pan around to give you a feel for the room. Now through the archway leads to your bathroom and your master bedroom. In here it's fully tiled. As you can see, you've got a frosted glass window, you've got a shower attachment and a shower curtain. You've got your bath, your bidet, your WC and your sink and pedestal. You've also got a small mirror there and your switches. Alright. Now through here, squeaky door, through here you have your master bedroom. You have a ceiling light and fan, the window over there which illuminates this room beautifully. And this is a good size double bedroom. And if I pan around, get a good feel for it. So I'm going to take you out and we go into very compact and bijou kitchen. So the kitchen has plenty of top and base units. It's got a lovely wine rack there, your washing machine, electric hob and oven, and you got it's not a microwave, I think it's a grill oven. You got your sink and drainer there. And if I just pan around, you got your fridge and some storage there as well for all your bits and bobs. So you got your ironing board and that in there. So nice, compact and bijou kitchen. So let me take you outside and we go upstairs and see the rooftop solarium. Now, just out here, you have some drainage at the bottom, and you've got this beautiful, lovely spiral staircase up to the beautiful blue skies, bringing you up to that rooftop solarium. Now, I just want to let you know, I'll go inside for a minute because the sun is on me here. Now, just on this, so some people in Fiestas, I have seen it done and it looks beautiful. What they've done is they've taken all that wall out. The staircase, because you have that side, you could put the spiral staircase to the side of the building, but down a little bit lower, so it doesn't affect if you wanted to build that terrace up, have that lovely outside terrace with patio doors in the master bedroom, like I showed you earlier. Now, when you put that out, you can do some Volux windows and make this kitchen more spacious, more open plan. So there's another great idea. So 4 great ideas for this lovely home, which is beautiful as it is anyway. So let's go up the stairs and have a look at your solarium. So now we're here up on the rooftop terrace and it's a beautiful sun trap. You could get a lovely suntan just sitting up here and relaxing. You could also put a lazy spa up here. And further over there, down the other end, there are views. They look quite far, but they're not. They're only down the end of the road. But a beautiful rooftop garden or solarium for you to enjoy. So let's go back downstairs. This spiral staircase is absolutely lovely. See you at the bottom of the stairs, guys. So guys, this is a lovely home. So whether you want a holiday home or you're pre-retirement, want to buy something while they're cheap now and you're going to retire in 5 years, you can come out for 3 weeks or 4 weeks of the year and have a free holiday at the end of the day, can you? So this is beautiful, has potential to do loads more to it or just leave it as it is. We're very close to some beautiful beaches, and I will leave a little short video I did for another project of a beach at the end of this video. So we are on the Costa.Calida. The airport is Murcia International and it's 30 minutes away. The beaches are a 20-minute drive with some beautiful scenery, and I'm sure you will be the envy of all your friends owning a villa here in Spain. So I will leave the reference number in the title of the video so you can inquire at info@tolet-to-sell-to-buy.com. Quote the reference number so they know which property you're inquiring about, and I will leave a WhatsApp number and anyone in the office will pick up your messages. Okay, so until the next time, have an amazing day and I'll see you again soon. So this beach is one of several down here on the coast. It's absolutely stunning, and I'm sure there are better beaches than what they have in Benidorm by miles. It's really lovely area to visit, and I hope to see you all soon.